Hello, this is Luke from TechMed 3D. I'm here today to show you how to troubleshoot a foot dorsum scan. The foot dorsum scan is very interesting because you can scan only the top of the foot and then reconstruct the plantar surface with MSoft. But sometimes some of the scans need to be retouched so that the reconstruction is done properly. So let me show you what we have here. This is a very good example of a scan. The right foot is pretty good, actually. You can see you have some details of the arch. All the holes are closed, and you still have all of the details, pretty much all of the details of the toes and the heel. But if you take a look at the left, then you see that something is definitely wrong. Nobody has a foot like this with sharp toes. And there is an artifact here as well. So something went wrong. So when you see something like that, you can, this is what was done automatically by MSoft. If you see here, we have the undo button that we can click. If we click once, it removes the reconstruction. If we click one more time, it puts back the floor. You can see that there are some waves on the floor, which probably explain why the cut was not made at the right angle, but we can fix that manually. So now we have what we need, and we can start to do the reconstruction more manually. The first thing that is very important to do is to redo the alignment. You see the alignment button here. You click here, and then since we don't have the plantar surface, we're going to click here at the exterior because we need to click on the floor to define the floor level. This is first metatarsal. This is fifth metatarsal. And this is the heel. Since we're clicking outside the foot, we're going to use the 4-view button here to improve the alignment. You can see here the different views. From the top, you can see that the alignment is a little bit off. So if we press on Control and then middle button on the mouse, and we keep these buttons pushed, we can drag the image in the middle so that we can do the alignment between the heel and approximately near between the two first toes. And here is fine, the front is fine as well. So we're all set here. Then we can make the cut. I'm going to use the plane, you rotate, and then you can do something like that. This is a pretty good cut. We still have some part of the floor, but we can remove that later. You don't do clip and fill here because it's not going to reconstruct the plantar surface as it should. Just do click. You confirm that this is all right. Then to remove these artifacts, we're going to use the advance function here. Click advance, we refresh. And then if we click on face, we're going to see all the pieces, all the separate pieces that make the scan that we have in front of our eyes. If we move our mouse on top of faces and we right click, we can hide all. And then we look for the biggest part, which is usually the first one here, M0. And we click it here, and the others we don't click. And then when we have only the piece that we want, we can apply. Don't forget to push apply. So now we have a nice cut. We have only the scan part that we want, and we can reconstruct. It's going to take a while, a little while. And there we go. You can see that's much better than what we saw at the beginning. The other foot was okay, so we can confirm everything. And we should have both of our feet with all the measurements you need to select the right insole or the right shoe. Thank you, everyone.